First message is that I personally have a vision. Wia Trade has a vision. You may not talk something. No. So there is a plan, there is a vision. That's the first message that I want to deliver today. The vision is PNG must have the first instant coffee factory right here at Nadzab, Wia Trade. That's the vision. That's the plan. We must deliver this outcome for the country. So, Plandi Toktok downstream processing, value addition, commercialization of agri-food systems, coffee included. This level big bla Toktok yet stop. National planning yimi Toktok stop. CIC yimi Toktok stop. Cocoa board yimi Toktok yet stop. How do we deliver those outcomes that people like looking and contribute to that strategic objective? So what we are doing here today, we are trade people are looking, witnessing, work people are making finish. Planting work making finish. Farmer you may work what them all finish. Mill you may building finish. Roastery now tasoli me catering bon na kamya and work me making finish. Water factory am sanableya, water board me work one them. Next 2 months, la water factory and barrel. So a lot of investment has already been done. In here today, I want to announce 6.1 million kina has been invested to do all these things. Establishing basic infrastructure before la Yumi Toktok downstream processing. 6.1 million kina. If you can record it, you can report this. So the investment has been done. Hard work and people are making finish. Work people are making finish. How? 3.76 million kina invested in the upstream production and marketing end of the coffee value chain. 2.65 million kina go down the productive partnership lahab. 0.85 million kina go down the building factories and a green bean mill. Since July 2020, we export up to last year we exported 53 containers. December 2023, 53 containers. Wia Trade exporting 7.8 million Guinea go inside the pocket plus some but slav man made now comes down. That is the story. That is the history. Work me will making finish from the investments. Last year we invested 1.85 million kina. Lower roastery now tasoli me kati report na come out there. Water factory now sanabia. Another 1.85 million kina invested to realize our dream for downstream processing of coffee. We will invest finish here. So anyway, another 500,000 kina will be invested this year. Contract now tasoli me 3 plus down here signing me ibla witness him. All these things added up 6.1 million kina already invested. That's the breakdown. Where do we go from here, ladies and gentlemen? Me no got plan to talk. Only give me 5 minutes to sola sanabla here. Today we purge crown ya ba also na. Pai me lusting di lengan ta sol na igona, krasi ba kamap ke no ba also na. Where do we go from here? So, report me blakatim finish roastery ya. What else can we do after the roastery? What else can we do after those spades sitting there? Question ibla ni ko lahap na ibla answer na. Karang answer kam na mi. Mi hatok man mi pastal here. Mi ba tikim crown na spade na sabol na mi ba wait ibla sta. Okay. The vision is there. I am now calling on the government. Come and work with us. Investment is already made. 6.1 billion kina mi talk finish ya. Basic infrastructure you talk waram start finish. Roastery am sana finish. Come hold him hand one day mibla ba brew him. Sorry, grind him, brew him, extract him, spray dry him na ba mla kama bin sla pizza ya na uta soli mitikim hole ya. The vision is there, the plan is there, experiences, ideas, schools have over the knowledge start finish. No need let me go find him like China around stuff. Oh, there's something start finish. So, by me apandin him na igo, no kado. You like go cutting big lahab. Karim come, you may work now help him country, now farmer play me here. Okay, me close to finish now, me na puli plant it up. You like building 100 kilos per hour instant coffee factory, it will cost you 15 to 20 million kina investment. I know, I've done my homework. That is still too expensive. Tesla legally plan now, we may unveil him here. We need 6 million kina to deliver that plan out. 6 million kina. Why? Green bean mill you may not need him, Memsana piece. Roastery you may not need him, Memsana piece. Money is already invested. Wara, you like to talk food production, food processing, you need tons and tons and tons, and not only tons, but quality water. It's already here. Me la by roasted coffee, kisi wara, grind him, brew him, spray dry him, na, come up him tisla, pizza ya, na, sleep la best abe. You may need him support now, lo brewing, extraction, spray drying, na, packaging, that's all. Le inapim is la 3 months outside. So 6 million kina. Mino kilia ba imi paini lo we. One pig ba imi go killing pig lo we. Mino worry because Tok give like sim na go, but I want to say that 2 million kina is already invested. How me talk 2 million? 1.85 long time me call him, I round him off, that's all I me talk 2 million. We need a balance of 4 million kina to deliver this outcome. 4 million kina, you like go find him, kill him pig, cut him na karam. Plant it Tok no. And we must deliver this outcome for the country. That is my message. Okay. Me Tok let's la work. Me finish now. This la project by delivery one kind impact la country. First, we will deliver the first instant coffee factory in this country. That's the first outcome. This la work about Karen lang na. Result. Number 2 by Megawanem, this investment will have potential to increase factory to a price la coffee. Currently now 6 kina stabya. When you go into downstream processing, you can add value. Now by you recovering cost, play low value added product amlo. So why not you raise the factory to a price la here, having me go like 10 kina kilo. Put more money inside la pick up farmer sit out stabya. That's the type of benefit or outcome we will get when we start investing in downstream processing. Number 3. This investment will have potential increasing coffee production in the country. Why? Instant factory am sanap kunai la makami go apu se place level sipik na go dan lo lumi all by planning robusta coffee. This la pizza you must look in. Time you will making work. So it has potential to increase coffee production in this country. Number 4, PNG is selling 100 million kina out every year to import instant coffee products, 3-in-1 included. Data mino tok lahat, mino tok natila sky, sample paper farmer karim proposal round lo waikani na paini money. Mi tok la data lo PNG customs. 100 million kina is spent every year to send out to bring 3-in-1 included, generally instant coffee products. 100 million kina. This type of investment will have potential to reduce the amount of imports. I am not saying that we want to compete with them, no. The thing is we must do this investment and tell the country that this type of things can be done. That's the message. Lari mol karim 3-in-1 blongol. You may got coffee le imistabe. Sabe skills, knowledge, code ikibim finish. PhD blame may go mix la spray trying na kamya. You may go pa ni go China lo one something. It will create jobs for our people. Right now we are employing 32 full-time staff on full pay every fortnight. 32. If you help us, we will increase the number of staff, keep our locals employed. SME businesses Pakama. Cleaning contracts, security contracts. All about work here, yeah. You mean que chimkuima na online ya local work staff, yeah. All investments ya work come up here, yeah. So Me finish now. Last point. Strategic coal blockman staff. MTDP 4. You talk la Waigani staff. Me walk la yes staff. Me no throw my stone, but these things will contribute to that strategic objective. And that's all. Talk me coming up. Thank you so much.